Hi everyone, welcome back to Java class. In today's session, we will learn how to create a JFrame, that is a Swings component in Java programming language. So before creating a Swings component, let us explore the Swings component hierarchy. Here you can see where JFrame is exist. JFrame is the child class of a frame. Frame class is present inside a WT toolkit, and JFrame is a part of Swings component. So let us understand with the help of a programming example how to create a JFrame in Java. So here let us understand first what is a JFrame. JFrame is a class in Java Swings library which is used to create windows where graphical user interface components like button, labels, text field, text area, JRadio buttons and any other component or field can be added. It is a fundamental part of creating desktop application in Java. So how to create a JFrame? So JFrame is kind of window over which the other GUI component can be added. So how to create a JFrame? So you will simply use a JFrame class which is present inside Java x.swings component. So you will create an object of it. Frame is equal new JFrame. So this constructor which help us to create a JFrame without title. So how to make your frame visible? You can call a method like frame dot set visible, and you can mark this value as a true in order to make your frame as visible. Let us run this program and you will see what is the output of it. So here we go. You can see this is a frame which is starting from the top extreme left corner. It contains an icon, minimize, the maximize and the close button. So this is a frame. So let me close it. It doesn't have any title. So how will you add the title of your frame? So inside this constructor, you can add your title. For example, I am using my frame. So the title of your frame will be my frame. And how to set the size of it? You simply use the frame dot set size method. So this is the method where you can add the width and height of a frame. Let us run this program and you will see what is the output of it. So here is a frame. You can see the title of this frame is my frame and its width is 300 and height is 300. And you have seen your frame is starting from your top extreme left corner. So you can set the location of this frame, starting location of this frame also. How to set it? You can call a method like frame dot set location, or for example you can set the location 200 and 200. This is x and y location of your frame. Run your program and you will see the output. Here you can see this is the frame, my frame. X position is 200 and y position is 200. Or this is a frame we have created, and you can see if you will close this close button, your frame will be closed. But here you can see your program is not terminated. You can see this terminate square, square icon in the red color. You can see it is showing the terminate. Your program is not terminated. So if you will click on this, then your program will be terminated. So let us run it again and let me just show you once again. So what is the meaning of it? Means if you close this frame, your program is not terminated. Your application is not closed. So if you would like to close your application when you just close your frame, you can use a method. The method is set default close operation. And how to use it? So I will use the frame dot set default close operation. What it does, it sets the operation that will happen by default when the user initiate a close on this frame. So how to set or how to close your application when you close your frame? So you will call this function, or inside it you will simply call, or you will simply pass a value like jframe dot exit on close. So what is the meaning of it? Let me just show you. I will run this. So when you close this frame, you can see your program is terminated automatically. Let me run it again. You will see. So if you close this frame, your program will be terminated automatically, right? No need to terminate explicitly your program. Okay, so what it does, it sets the default close operations so the application exit when the frame is closed. So guys, this is a one way to create a frame in Java programming language. Let me help you to understand one other way to create a frame, that is known as the by extending your JFrame class. So I will create one more class, go to new, and you will create one more class, that is J, that is my frame. The class name is my frame 1, and mark is it is a main class. So this is a new class. So right now I am just making this class as a child class of your JFrame. So I will make it extends JFrame, right? Extend JFrame. So what I am doing, I am making this my frame 1 as a child class of your JFrame class. So how to create this? How to create a frame by extending a JFrame. So you will add a constructor public JFrame, or inside it you will add the code to create a frame. So how to set the title of a frame? So simply you will call a function the set title, or inside it you can pass the title of your frame. So my frame you can write here, right? This is the title of your frame. How to make your frame as visible? So you will simply call the set visible, right? So now inside this child class, we can call all the methods of your JFrame class directly. There is no need to create the instance of JFrame, because this is a subclass, or inside it we can call all the methods directly. So you can use the set visible true. Your frame will be visible. You can set the size of your frame. You can set the size like 300 and the 400. You will run it and you will see what is the output of it. You can see, let me just say, oh, okay, so we have not called the constructor. So inside the main class, you will call the constructor of it. You will, how to call this? New my frame. You will call new my frame 1. Let us run it again and you will see what is the output of it. So here we go. You can see your frame is created. The width is 300 and the height is, you can see, 400. Okay, so this is the frame we have created. In the similar way, you can call the different functions of it, set location, or you can call the location like 200 and 100. The size may be 300 or 300. You can call the method that is set default close operation, or inside it you can call jframe dot exit on close. So let us run this, or you can see what is the output of it. So guys, this is a frame. So this is a frame we have done, we have created. So these are the two techniques how to create a frame. You can create a frame by using the first method also. Inside it, you will create the instance of JFrames, and by using this instance of JFrame, you can call the methods of your JFrame in order to make visibles or in order to set the size of it. The second way, you can create a class that will extend a JFrame. Now inside this constructor, you can call all methods of your JFrame directly, or inside the main class, simply you will just create the instance of it, or you will call this default constructor. So your frame will be created. Now on this frame, this is the first GUI window, or we can say this is the window where you can add other GUI field. So before adding the buttons, JText field, you have to create the frame. So guys, I hope you understand how to create a frame using different approach. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video session, please like, subscribe, or write your feedback on the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye for now. Have a good day.